It looks like the fogger in this tray has stopped working. It's been in use about a year, constantly on for about 6 months of that time because I have it on during the summer, but you can see it's not really fogging. It hasn't really mattered which kind I get, cheap or expensive, so I've just been getting the ones off Amazon that are the cheapest. And so now I'm going to have to take all the plants off the top of this tray to replace the fogger. So the only problem with replacing this was that I had to put all my plants on the floor, and while they were on the floor, my plant orchid eating cats came by and chewed them, which you can see sort of. It's hard, but they've this poor guy's been gnawed, and so it's a little dangerous, but I've got everything, mostly everything, back up now, and they're getting watered. And I have things that are very thirsty on this, like I have 2 maxillary tenuifolias. They're slightly different colors. One is more orange and one is more red. I have some epidendrums that are potted in like rock that basically need to be watered all the time. And just things that need high moisture content are on this fogger.